You're watching Action News Now. Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
Welcome back. Meteorologist Patrick Wright joining us now. Patrick, this weather finally is feeling like winter. I just want to cozy up and not leave my house.
Yeah, today was one of those days where you just wanted to sit in a coffee shop, look out the window, or cuddle up and watch a movie because it was drizzly, if not rainy, across most of the valley. And that has done a number not only on our temperatures, but also our visibility across our region. Some places sitting at 1.5 miles to 3.5 miles, even less. So it all just depends on where you're at across the valley today, as some of the stratus clouds, those low-level clouds, have just sucked in for most places, bringing some drizzle, if not mist, to most places. And this is what you see stepping outside is almost a completely dark sky. This is from the Deer Creek Highway camera looking out to what is supposed to be Chico off in the distance there. Can't even see the city lights this evening. So it'll be a gloomy and wet night tonight, though storm number 2, this winter storm number 2 for this week, will be sticking around for a couple of days as it is a slow mover for these next couple of days, but we will eventually see some brisk mornings ahead by the middle of the week, so it is feeling like winter as we head into the first full week of December. So we do still have some of the shield of rain off towards the eastern side of the valley, especially for the mid-valley. Some of that rain and drizzle will continue for at least the next few hours, but a cold front will start to push on through late tonight into early tomorrow morning. So mainly after midnight, right along the I-5 corridor, seeing some rain move on through for everybody, and that'll push on through, and that'll set the stage by tomorrow morning for some scattered showers and rain and snow showers in the mountains, some rain in the valley, which this could include some chances for thunderstorms, especially as we head into the afternoon hours, which will have heavy rain at times and small hail embedded with it. So that's something to keep in mind for tomorrow. So it won't be a wide shield of rain like what we saw in the last storm. So that's some good news, I guess, but we will see some scattered thunderstorms continuing not only Sunday, but also into Monday. As I mentioned, this system is lingering around for a little bit. Rain totals heading into tomorrow this evening, up to about ½ an inch in Chico, about or less than 1/10 of an inch across a good chunk of the east or western side of the valley, I should say, as it is mainly drizzle, but that really won't come through until tomorrow morning, and then continue to see some of those numbers pile up as we head into Tuesday morning, where we could see up to about 2 inches of rain in parts of Chico, although less rain out towards some of the rain shadow areas along the I-5 corridor, but still seeing some decent numbers from this system. Snow will also be a problem heading into the mountains. Some places could see anywhere from 1 to 3 feet of snow, depending on your elevation, and because of that, well, we do have some winter storm warnings in effect. I'll get to those here in just a moment, but when it comes to the winds, they will be picking up tomorrow. By noon, gusts up to about 20 miles per hour in parts of the valley. We could see some winds continuing throughout the rest of the day and into the evening, so you may see things blowing around a little bit, especially as some of those thunderstorms pop up in some places. Some isolated gusts over 25 miles per hour could be possible, but again, that's only associated with those thunderstorms if they do pop up in your area. But winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories, I should say, in effect for parts of our region, mainly the winter weather advisory out towards the coastal mountains, and then winter storm warning out towards the Sierra. Elevations above 3,000 feet for the coastal mountains and above 4,000 feet in the Sierra. But with this, temperatures hovering in the low 40s this evening across the valley, so they're not changing very much. And again, temperatures hovering in the mid 40s, if not upper 40s, heading into tomorrow. So which means biking is not looking good tomorrow with those chances for heavy rain and maybe some thunderstorms at times. So keep that in mind, as it is another gloomy-ish day, although not as widespread as what we're seeing today, just piecemeal here and there. But the next 7 days begin to dry out heading into Tuesday and Wednesday. But the big thing to notice for those days will be the very chilly, if not brisk mornings. Lows getting into the upper 20s, if not lower 30s in the mornings, but we will be having a clear sky by then. But there's another chance for another system to move in towards the end of the week. But for now, those details are still uncertain, but we still have some rain and chilly weather on the way.
Yeah, gonna be a cold one. Gonna
Yep,
feel
feeling
like
like
winter. Thanks, Patrick.